welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
Hello, today I am bringing to you my 1969 Camaro Z28. We'll start with a little bit of history about this car first. My mom bought this car in 1970 or thereabouts. It was her first real car instead of some throwaway, hoopty piece of junk. And she did actually race it, though technically not legally. Did some light-to-light racing, but the 302 just tend to eat up too many clutches. And it was too hard to get traction when you dump the clutch at 6,000 RPM. So she found her groove in long-distance marathon racing on the street, often going from Denver to Fort Collins, sometimes as far as Wyoming, and I think I even remember stories about going to Nebraska. And we did sell the car at one point and got it back with a radiator full of plain water. Water froze and wound up cracking the block in 5 places. We still have it, and it's going to get restored back to its original glory. The current engine is a 350 cubic inch small block. It's got a split duration 262, 272 hydraulic cam. I got a fast, easy EFI fuel injection setup, and that has improved everything greatly on the performance of the car. I highly recommend it, especially if you are afraid to get away from carburetors. It's very friendly towards carburetor junkies like us. The thing that sets this apart from most Camaros is these side pipes, which have been on the car probably since about 1975. I had to rebuild the whole exhaust because it only had about a 1.5 to 2 inch original exhaust. It's very restrictive because it starts at the header clear over here, and then it had to wind all the way past the subframe, then all the way back down to this corner, and then out the back. The exhaust is probably about twice the length of the whole car. And because of the power loss, we wound up putting the electric exhaust cutouts in the back. So if I ever needed that extra power, all I had to do was flip a switch, because I am a little bit too robust to be getting underneath the car to uncap the headers. As you can see, I'm getting ready to put some new leaf springs. I also have some new shocks. This car is extremely precious to me because my mom left it to me. She passed away in 2015. And have a little vial of her ashes hanging in the window there, just so I always have her with me. I took care of her through her final years, and I had this made up, and she and I bonded over this car. Got a spot for my dad, my friends as well, because they all helped. My friends helped me build the engine. My dad and I worked on the engine a lot. My dad did the paint and body work, and most of the designing was done by me. So this car to me is a lot more important than just a nice car. It is very much a part of my family. Anyway, I'm glad to have had the opportunity to show this car to you. It's definitely my baby. It's never going anywhere. No way, no how. And this is going to be my mom's 56 gasser, done in her honor as well. So thank you very much. Hope everybody's having a great year. And please forgive that it is running so rich. It is still a little bit cold-blooded.
Well, that was this week's video, and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.